Hello friends, welcome to C4CAD. In this video, we will see how to create a part model of displayed geometry. So for that, create a new file in NX and select YZ plane as a sketch plane. Now, here the length in Y direction is 95 mm and height is 16 and 19. So here select the plane and draw one profile 16 mm and 19 mm. Here the total distance from this point to this point is 38 minus 12. So here enter 16. Now we will create one line from this point and the length will be 38. And we create an arc with arc by center and end points. So project this point and click here. Here enter the radius 22 and sweep angle 90. Now we will draw one line from the arc's end point to this line. Now we will trim the extra line. Now we will create the base. Here the length of base is 95 and height is 12. And connect this. Now give the dimensions. So our sketch is fully constrained. Now finish the sketch. Here the base width is 24 and the upper body have 68 mm width. Now go to extrude command and here select region boundary curves. Now select this lower region and here select symmetric value. Here enter 12 and click on apply. Now select the upper region and here select symmetric value and here select unite and here 68 divided by 2. Click on apply. Now we will create this cylinder and hole. So for that create a sketch and select XY plane. Now draw one circle and go to geometric constraint. Give the vertical alignment of circle center to the z-axis. Now give the dimensions from origin. It is 38. And now draw one line from here to here. The radius of this circle is 16 mm. So go to rapid dimension and here enter 16 into 2. Now draw one line which passes from the center of the circle. Now draw one line like this. Now trim the extra lines. Here the sketch needs one constraint. So give this dimension. Now our sketch is fully constrained. So finish the sketch. So now we will extrude this arc up to this face. So now go to extrude, select this region and here reverse the direction in end value select until next and click on apply. Now we will create the hole of 12 mm diameter and 16 mm depth. So go to hole command and select the center of the circle. Now here the diameter is 12 mm and the depth is 16 mm. Now here select subtract. Now click on apply. Now we will create this 6 mm of chamfer edge. So for that go to chamfer command and here select this edge and here select asymmetric. In distance 1 enter 6 mm and in distance 2 enter 12 mm and click on OK. So our model is completed. Now we will hiding the sketches and datum planes and change the color of model. Thank you friends. If you like this video then please subscribe to C4CAD.